Today I'm going to show you how to use hashtags in Telegram in a simple and effective way. Hashtags are a great way to organize your messages, make important topics easier to find later, and keep your chats more structured. If you use Telegram for work, community updates, projects, or personal notes, learning this small feature can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Now let's get straight into it. To use hashtags in Telegram, the first thing you need to do is open the chat where you want to post your message. This can be a private chat, a group, or even a channel if you have posting access. Once you're inside the message box, start typing your tag by adding the hashtag symbol, which is the # sign, followed immediately by a word. For example, you could type something like #news or #worknotes. The important thing to remember is that there should be no spaces inside the hashtag. If you want to create a phrase with more than one word, use an underscore instead of a space. So instead of typing something like #worknotes, you would type #worknotes. That keeps the hashtag active and searchable. This is really useful if you want to label messages by topic. For example, you could use #project and update, #meeting notes, #shopping list, or ideas. Once you get used to it, you can create a simple system that helps you find messages much faster later on. After you type your hashtag, send the message by pressing enter. As soon as Telegram posts it, the hashtag will turn blue automatically. That blue color is your sign that Telegram has recognized it as an active hashtag. This means you can tap it later or search for it to find all related messages in that chat. So the full process is very easy. Type the # symbol, add your word or phrase with no spaces, use an underscore if needed, and then send the message. Telegram does the rest for you automatically. If you're using hashtags in a group, they can be especially powerful because they make it easier for everyone to keep track of shared topics. In a busy chat, a few well-chosen hashtags can help you organize announcements, reminders, and important updates without scrolling forever. You can also use hashtags consistently across different chats if you want to build a personal organization system. For example, always using the same tag for work-related notes or project updates can make searching much more efficient later. So that's how to use hashtags in Telegram. It only takes a second, but it can make your chats much easier to manage. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.